Hi, my name's John. Welcome to an in-use review on this Artec airfed helmet. I've had this for 3 or 4 months now and I've used it quite a lot. My wife Deborah has actually used it more than me. I welded a cast iron engine block last week and I had to do a lot of grind prep work on it, and the dust was absolutely terrible, and I thought, John, put the mask on. So I put this on and you can lift the front up and you've still got the protective clear screen, but you've got the air feed. So I ground this without tasting any of the dust. It made a massive difference compared to obviously grinding with no mask on. I left this on and I did the welding with it. Now I normally use an Optrel welding screen, and I found the optics on this equally as good as the Optrel, which is really saying something. So all in all, I'm very happy with it. It's not used all the time, but it's had a fair bit of use. Like I said, Deb uses it more than me, so we'll let her explain what she thinks about it or what she doesn't think about it. So Deb's going to come in and do a little bit of welding, I think, and a little bit more talk about the mask.
Right. Hi everybody, I hope you're doing alright. I'm still going with the helmet, which I still really enjoy. I find it's easier for me to weld, to see. I don't cough a lot because it's air fed, which is even better. So I've had a go with this, and I'm now going to show you how well I cope with when I do stick welding, which is still nice and easy to breathe and easy to see. So I'm going to put my hat back on. I'm going to get ready and have some stick welding.
Right.
Okay, so that's me using the stick welder, and as we all know how much fume comes off a stick welder, and you're not bothered by it at all. It's absolutely amazing. I give it a thumbs up. In fact, I give it 2 thumbs up.
Artec are now doing the same helmet but without the air feed, with the same flip up front. So if you don't want the air feed, you can have the same optics, and the headgear is really comfortable. It's all in all, for the price, it's a good all-round welding helmet.